Hey guys, whether you're trying to balance your monthly budget, proving to a friend that you actually sent your half of the dinner bill, or getting your paperwork organized for tax season, tracking down your payment history is essential. So I'm going to show you the fastest ways to pull up your recent activity and download your official statements. Right, so the quickest way to view them and your day-to-day transaction history is right inside the mobile app. So unlock your phone, open Cash App, and look down at the bottom right corner and tap on the clock icon to launch your Activity tab. This pulls up a clean, chronological feed of every single dollar that has entered or left your account. It tracks peer-to-peer transfers, cash card purchases, savings goals, and crypto trades. It tracks peer-to-peer transfers, cash card purchases. If you need details on a specific payment, just tap directly on the transaction to view the digital receipt, timestamp, and unique transaction ID. If you have a massive history log and don't want to scroll forever, you can filter out the noise. So look right at the top and then tap on the search bar, and you can type in a specific friend's name, their cash tag, or a merchant like a local restaurant. If you are logged into your account on a computer, you get even more power. But next to the web search, you click on the filter option. This allows you to isolate transactions by a specific date range or narrow down the list by the exact dollar amount. And then, if you need a formal document for the landlord or loan application, standard screenshots won't cut it. You need an official statement. So you can go to your home screen, tap on the profile picture, go to the settings, tap on documents and select account statements. And then here you can just see your monthly records sorted neatly by year. And then you can just choose to export it by PDF or CSV file. Enjoy, that's all there is to it. If this helps, subscribe.